Turmeric is also famous as a golden spice. It is majorly used in Asian cuisines and has long been a part of typical Indian medicines for centuries. Its various health properties are associated with curcumin, a substance that has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. Latest studies show that turmeric may play a fantastic role in reducing weight. However, you may think whether it will work or not and how long it will take to deliver noticeable results. How can turmeric tea help in weight loss? Latest research has focused on turmeric's role in reducing weight. Test tube studies recommend that curcumin can suppress certain inflammatory factors that lead to obesity. These factors are usually raised in people with extra weight or fatness. Animal studies show that this substance may boost weight loss, control weight regain, minimizes fat tissue growth, and amends the sensitivity of a person to the hormone insulin. What else? 30-day research on 44 people who were previously obese found that consuming piperine and curcumin twice a day directed to fantastic weight loss and prominent reduction in hip and waist circumference and body mass index (BMI). Piperine is a substance in black pepper that helps in curcumin absorption. Thus, we can conclude that curcumin in turmeric serves a lot in weight loss. More research is being conducted about the link of turmeric tea and weight loss. Health benefits of turmeric tea linked to weight loss. Turmeric tea can help as a fantastic beverage for weight loss. So, in today's video, we are going to share some points to elaborate on how turmeric tea works in weight loss. Number 1. It bears anti-inflammatory attributes. Inflammation is mainly linked with excessive fat accumulation or obesity. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory substance that aids in reducing soreness and connected to the oxidative stress and hence to be beneficial in reducing weight. Number 2. Keeps you away from metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a pervasive health risk associated with obesity. Fat assemblage across the abdomen may lead to metabolic changes that result in metabolic syndrome. Turmeric can be beneficial in minimizing the hazard of the blood sugar level, triglyceride level, and cholesterol level that serve against the condition. Number 3. Ideal for digestive system. An ideal digestive system is a base to reduce weight. Turmeric tea aids in relaxing stomach troubles like bloating, gas, and induces better bowel movements that lead to weight loss. Number 4. Better bile production. Consumption of turmeric tea in routine helps in improved bile production that exists in the stomach. This digestive juice assists in modifying fat and metabolism. This procedure makes turmeric a fantastic product to lose weight. Number 5. Blood sugar levels are regulated. This tea aids in regulating sugar levels and precludes insulin resistance. As an outcome, extra fat doesn't accumulate in your body. Number 6. Improved cardiac health. Cardiac arrest is considered the most significant cause of death, and with multiple reasons, poor lifestyle is another reason for poor cardiac health. You can avoid this health risk by using turmeric tea. It helps in controlling hypertension and diabetes as well. If you consume turmeric regularly, don't eat fried foods for 2 to 3 weeks to notice the effects of this tea. How can you make turmeric tea? Add 1½ cup of water into a pan and boil it. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric into it and you can use it in powdered or grated form. Let it boil for 7 to 10 minutes. You can add honey into it as a sweetener. Add a pinch of black pepper into it and mix well. Pour it into a cup and drink this miraculous beverage slowly 1 time a day. Try to drink it fresh and don't store it. You can drink it in winters and summers both, but try to avoid adding ginger when drinking it in the summer season. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.